Hi, this is Juliana with Frisella Nursery. I'm out in our trees, and specifically we're into some maple trees. And what I wanted to talk about today is your tree being dormant versus being dead. So you see here, we've got a tree, we've got no leaves. It doesn't look really happy, does it? It is happy, it's super happy. This tree is in dormancy still, and it is gonna be ready to pop and have some nice, beautiful, beautiful buds real soon, probably in about a month from now. Now, if you're concerned about your tree, whether it's the same, some damage from the storm or something, and you're concerned on whether it's alive or not, what I do is I take my pruners and I take a small branch and just like an inconspicuous section, and I just kind of peel off some of the bark. And you can see once you peel off some of the bark, I've got green in there. And that means that tree is beautiful and it is alive. It's very much alive. In the winter, it is super important that you hydrate your trees. And if you get any significant snow or rain, you could probably not water for a couple weeks, but you at least need to have some monthly hydration with your tree. A lot of people are realizing, hey, there's just not been a whole lot of moisture. Sure, we got a lot of snow 1 week this year, but that's it. We didn't get a whole lot after that. You still need to take a hose and you need to get this tree watered down to its roots. It is still alive underneath. It is working. It's collecting energy. It's collecting food to push those leaves out in the spring to give you that beautiful shade tree that you've come to know and love. So make sure that you're watering that tree. Give it significant water. If you're unsure, take a stick all the way down. If it comes out clean, you need to water your tree. So just make sure you're watering this guy so he gives you the beauty that you need here in the spring. If you have any questions at all, please call me at Frisella Nursery or visit us on our YouTube page. Hit like and subscribe. See us on Facebook and Instagram, and you can get all our tips to have successful trees this spring.